So today is all about this delicious, very tasty native or palm oil pasta. This is so delicious, very tasty. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing I'm getting ready is my protein, and yeah, I'm using Titus fish. So one thing that you need to know about Titus fish is the seasoning of this fish. Titus fish doesn't need any other seasoning except salt. Salt is just going to bring the natural sweetness of the Titus fish. So you don't need any other spices, you don't need any other thing, you don't need onions. Titus fish is already a soft fish, so onions usually help protein to get softer. So Titus fish doesn't need it because it cooks very fast. You don't need other spices. Just trust me on this. The first time I told my sister about just using only salt, she was like, whoa, until she tried it and she has never looked back on it. So just salt alone is okay for your Titus fish. Just add water, allow this to cook for 5 to 8 minutes until the fish is soft. So into my pot, added salt to my boiling water and added my penny pasta. So you can use any other type of pasta you want, but I'm using penny pasta. I'm going to cook this until it is al dente. So once it is cooked already, just drain it out to remove the water and to stop the cooking process. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video. So the next thing I'm doing is to bleach some palm oil. So after bleaching the palm oil, just add in some onions and saute this. Do not forget to give this video a like, comment below. I would love to hear from you. So the other thing I'm adding to this is my fish, and I'm using panlet fish and dried catfish. So I already washed my fish, remove all the dirt and the bone from it. I love to fry this fish because it releases its flavors in the sauce better than just cooking it. So I prefer frying this. So I'm just going to fry this for just 2 to 4 minutes until the flavors has been extracted into the oil. So once that is done, the next thing I'm adding is my roughly blended tomato, pepper and tatashe. So I use more of tatashe and less of tomato because the tatashe is going to add that natural sweetness to the sauce compared to using more of tomato. Just looking at this alone, you know that this is going to be super delicious. Trust me, this was really so tasty. Oh my goodness. And towards the end, there's a twist to this. Oh my goodness, it's unbelievable twist that I'm going to see in this. So once that's I've finished stirring everything, the next thing I'm adding is my grounded crayfish and seasoning cube. You can also add grounded dry prawn as well. I couldn't get, so I'm just sticking with only crayfish. So do not add salt, just taste for the salt first, so you don't go and add salt so that this doesn't get too salty, because we've already salted our pasta and the salt in this was okay, so I didn't have to add any salt to this. Just taste it, and if you want to add salt you can add your Titus fish. So I've already deboned my fish and I just mix everything together. So add your fish stock, mix well. Add your pre-cooked pasta, mix everything very well until all the ingredients is well into the pasta. I just want to remind you to check out my other videos. If you love this recipe, you would definitely enjoy some of my previous one. I've made things super easy for you by creating playlists. If you're looking for a variety of sauce to try, I've got a playlist just for that. Want to learn how to make bread? My goodness, I have different variety of bread recipe, and I promise you're going to enjoy every single one of them. All the playlists are linked in the description box below, so make sure to click and explore. Like I said earlier, that there's a twist to this, and this is the twist. Yes, we are going to add ugba or oil bean seed to our oil pasta or native pasta. Just wash your ugba very well, and then you move to the next process. Trust me on this was so yummy. So add your ugba into your pasta and mix very well. So I added little to this at this point because I wasn't really sure of how the taste was going to be. And when I tasted this, oh my goodness, like I was like, why haven't I been adding this all this while? It was super delicious. It was so tasty. I couldn't even believe the taste. Like, oh my goodness. So I added more of the ugba and I mixed this very well until everything was well mixed into the pasta. I don't even know how to explain how delicious this was, but this was super delicious. A trial will convince you. Just try, just add little to a portion of this and try it out and let me know how it turned out to be. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, and share. Bye for now.